Hello, hello everybody. So I have a bunch of envelopes here, so it's time for an everything envelopes. And today I have been inspired by the lovely Rhoda. And I'll have the links and stuff in the description below, but she made this journal. It's like a no-sew journal using just envelopes. She called it like a Greek key or something like that. Yes, a Greek key, I think continuous is what she said. Continuous journal. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start gluing all these flaps together, right? All these flaps. I'm going to glue an envelope onto a flap, and then I'm going to glue another envelope onto another flap. And I think she did hers this way. I'm going to do mine this way. I don't know why. It just feels right. And I'm just going to glue down the whole flap, glue side onto the next envelope. And I don't even know how many envelopes I grabbed. I just grabbed a stack of them. Try and get it somewhat maybe even. That's probably, oh, maybe I should have put it right on the right on the, oh no, we're good. So see, these envelopes are great. They have enough room in between their, so yes, this is what we're going to do. We're going to keep going. We're going to make sure they fold into each other, right? And then, you know, as we might have to fold them and score them as we go. I grabbed a few envelopes, but I loved this idea. And I have an idea of how I'm going to decorate it. I'm going to use those papers I got in, that I ordered from Amazon. Is that... It is what it is. It's probably not the most even. It looks fine though, right? So look, it just keeps folding out. It just keeps folding out. It's like an infinite journal. It's a really cool idea and so easy. It's so easy. And then you just cover all your, right? You can cut some of the like tops or whatever and have pockets. You could just cover each page. I just think it's so clever. Okay, looking good, looking good. I'm going to kind of maybe press it down as I go. So this one, we're going to need to glue a little bit more out a little bit. Right, because the more envelopes that you add, the more width, the more thick it gets, right? And so you need more space is like in your spine, I guess. Right, like that. Oh, see, and it's still not quite, but that's okay. That's why I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to do it like this. Actually, I may fold it even in a little bit more. I think it'll be fine. Okay. And the next envelope. We only have two more envelopes to go. Right? And then I'll show a little bit of like how I'm going to cover it. And then I'll do the rest of it off screen and come back. See, this one I'm gluing even farther out from the fold because the last one we did was not quite, but this looks like it'll be good. Oh yes, look at that. Lovely, lovely. Oh, I love it. And it feels great. Look, it just keeps flipping open. Right? Just keeps going. Well, look, I folded this piece. Well, that's not good. That's okay. It's all going to get covered. It's all fine. I didn't do a test run before I did this. This is my first, you know how I am. I don't ever do that. Okay, one more. We have one more envelope here. This is great to use up quite a stack of envelopes, which I need because I have this giant box of them. I have so many envelopes. Okay, and then this one, oops, not that one, that one's already glued. This flap, the last flap, I'm just going to glue that flap down. I'm going to glue this flap down like that. Okay, so now we just need to fold this one. I love the way it feels. Great idea. So yeah, when I saw her video of hers, and she had really cool envelopes. She had like the tall ones. So she ended up making like a tall skinny journal. So let's see. I think I'm going to have it open like this, right? Like that way. So yes, how I'm going to cover it, right? So I have these that I got from Amazon, right? These like pads of little paper. And so I'm just going to start just covering the whole thing, right? And I may do a little bit of collaging. I may just rip them in pieces and then glue them on. Just easy peasy. Right? And then I'll ink them, and then I'll decide like what I'm going to do about pockets, or what I'm going to do, you know, I'll put like belly bands and pockets, and I'll like decorate the whole thing. But it's so cool. I love it. Of course, I'm not going to do all that on camera. That's, you know. Let's rip this one this way. Perhaps like this. Up here like this, and we'll put the other one down at the bottom, and then we'll put something in the middle. Ta-da, like this. So, oh, it's been lovely. The weather got really, really windy today, and it rained a little bit, but it's so exciting to see rain and not snow. I'm super, I've been needing the spring. It feels like it takes so long to get here where I live. All right, that needs realigned. All right, lovely. And then I want to put something in the middle of it. Let's see. What do we have in our box of goodies? We have a cool briefcase. That's kind of cute. Oh, goodness, goodness. I like this. This is lovely. This kind of goes this way, this way. We could just stick that on there. Right, we'll just stick that on there. Maybe we'll make it a little pocket and we'll put a tag in it. So look, I've got a new dauber. The lovely, lovely Natalie Bell sent it to me. So thank you so much. So let's ink up this dauber with my vintage photo. Get a good amount of ink. It's hard to get a good amount of ink on it the first, you know, the first time you use it. I like to saturate it nice and good. We're getting there. Maybe a little spritz of water, it's so dry here, will help. Oh yes. Oh, that really helped. Awesome. Okay. Just going to ink the edges. Right. We'll put a little thumb notch in the top. So let's see. Just mark it. Grab my 1 1/4 inch. I don't have, do you think I have a 1 inch? No. I have a 1 1/4 inch. I think it's the same with like my 2-inch one. Do I have a 2-inch one? No. I have like a 2.5 inch one, which I find kind of funny. That all my hole punches are like off. You know, they're not even, you know, they're not an even 1 inch, 2 inch hole punch. They're 1 1/4 and 2 1/2, and I think my 3 is even like a 3 1/4 or something. Okay. It's because they're so expensive. I buy them on sale when I can, so that's probably why they were on sale, now that I think about it. Lovely. So we have this lovely first page, decorated. I have these Tim Holtz tags. Let's put a Tim Holtz tag in there. Let's see, what is this one? Condemned. Let's not put the condemned one in there. We have a repair. Will that fit in nicely? That fits in lovely. We'll put a string or a ribbon. Maybe a ribbon. I feel like we haven't used ribbon in a while. My ribbon box is a mess. Ah, it's a mess. Okay. We have this lovely cream ribbon. I'm thinking let's use that. Just cut a piece of that. Thank you, ribbon box. Hopefully it's not too thick. It looks like it'll be fine though, and I don't really want to put an eyelet in this tag. Suppose we could ink it, huh? Oh, isn't it lovely having a new dauber? It's so lovely. I don't have to worry about little flecks of... My last one was really bad. Okay. Lovely, lovely. Pull this middle part. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, we'll just stick that in there. Ta-da, there's our the first page of our little envelope journal. We can ink the edge of the pages really quick. Lovely. Lovely. This little piece is sticking up. Let's put some glue down, get that stuck down. Lovely. Okay, and so I'm going to go through and I'm going to decorate and cover a lot of these pages and stuff, and then I'll be right back. So here it is. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I made this in one night. I'm really impressed with myself. I just had so much fun with it. I just couldn't put it down. So anyway, I have it tied with a beautiful piece of sari. Right here is our cover. I put a little hummingbird on there. We've got a Tim Holtz tag. And then here we have this page, which is a pocket, right, decorated with some stuff. And inside we have a simple journaling card and another little journaling card. Right, there we go. So there's that page. And then we flip it. Well, I suppose we can look at this page. This is a pink page. I made this piece, oh geez, a while ago. I think this was a Roxy's or something. I was just playing with this flippy idea. It's got like a journaling card inside or a tag. Let's see, we've got, it opens up like this, and then it opens up like that. Ooh, fancy. And then it also opens up like this. Oh my gosh, so much flippy. And then we fold it open like this, and on this page we have a beautiful greeting card with a lovely hawk, or yeah, I think that's a hawk. We have this beautiful page, right? I love her and the horse. We have an Edith Holden journaling card and a piece of handmade paper that I put in there just for journaling. Dum dum. So there's that. I suppose I'll stick this back in here. And then it opens like this, and we have a beautiful belly band, right, with a little notebook. Just a cute little notebook. And then on this page is just some like plain journaling that's been decorated. And then we flip it open again, and we've got on the very back page, this is the back page, we have a flippy envelope. Ba-bum. And inside we have a piece of coffee stain, one of my coffee stained papers for journaling, and a pretty bird, right? And then in the middle right here, we have this, a journaling card. This is one of those Tim Holtz journal pockets. We have a piece of ephemera. Morning glories are fun, and this really cool ad, and it's got like a bunch of ads and stuff on the back. Very cool. And then a journaling card in here as well. That's what this is. A Phantom of the Opera one, backed with this lined paper. And so there's those. Those go in this page, like that. And then this page, right? This has a little notebook. It's got like a little tearaway notebook. See, with a bunch of coffee stained papers. And that just slides into this pocket like that. And then moving onward, right, we have these two pages. This is kind of like baking, right? We've got little pockets with like a little journaling card there. And a little pocket with a little journaling card that says bread. Right there. So there's that. And this side we have a little double pocket with some like labels to write on. And in each one we have an assortment of cards. Right? An assortment of cards in each pocket. So there's that page. And then if we fold it over again, I suppose we can leave that open. We have just a regular pocket that's got another one of these pocket cards and a couple of Tim Holtz tags. So that goes in that pocket. And then on this side, we've got a flippy. And in this pocket, we've got another notebook. And inside, we have a piece of stained journaling paper. And I'll stick that in later with this pretty lady. So there we go. That's it. Isn't that amazing? I absolutely love it. So there is my envelope project for this week. I can't believe I made a whole little envelope journal. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful week and a wonderful weekend or whatever. I will see you very soon, probably tomorrow, as I have a journal to flip through. And that's it. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye.